Fans of sitcoms in the late 1980s and early 1990s have fond memories of courtroom comedy Night Court. After almost 200 episodes aired, the show ended and most of the actors moved on to explore their other talents. As Judge Harry Stone, Harry Anderson delivered plenty of slapstick comedy, magic tricks, and silliness to the Night Court set. When the show ended, he made guest appearances on shows like 30 Rock and Son of the Beach, while starring on Dave Barry's sitcom Dave's World. He decided to semi-retire from acting to open a magic supply shop in Louisiana. As prosecutor Dan Fielding, John Larroquette spent most of his screen time chasing women and serving up heavy doses of sarcasm every chance he got. After bidding farewell to the courtroom, he starred in his own sitcom, The John Larroquette Show, before appearing on the other law-themed programs including Boston Legal and The Practice. He collects rare books in his spare time. You probably remember 6'8" Richard Moll as the gentle giant bailiff Bull Shannon, who made his fair share of dim-witted remarks on every episode, much to the courtroom's amusement. Instead of focusing on screen acting roles when Night Court finished up, he took on voice acting jobs for cartoons and video games. As even-keeled court reporter Mac Robinson, Charles Robinson acted as a somewhat sardonic version of Mr. Rogers, and you never saw him without his cardigan and tie. He found further success on a number of popular 1990s sitcoms, including Home Improvement and Charmed. He began acting less in the 2000s, but he volunteers at the Oregon Shakespeare Festival every year. Selma Diamond played bailiff Selma Hacker, the chain-smoking Spitfire grandmother you always wished you had. She passed away from lung cancer in 1985, right after the show finished its second season. Between wooing Judge Harry, running from Dan Fielding, and trying to prove her worth as a woman in the courtroom, Marquis Post's public defender character, Christine Sullivan, was always busy trying to keep up. After Night Court, she later guest starred on the hospital comedy Scrubs throughout that series. You probably recognize her most from There's Something About Mary, in which she plays the mother of young Cameron Diaz at the beginning of the film. Marsha Warfield entered the courtroom as angry bailiff Roz Russell. Despite Roz's indignant demeanor, Warfield's real-world personality was much more upbeat, and she translated this into a successful stand-up comedy career.